consulta nawe. Nizim Africa, Thokozani, Sanibonani, Dumelang, Absheni, and hello. This is Dr. Oti Ngadlangadla, Istimela Samampondo. Ikehla lamakhehla, tsunami, mamela kirongwena. Namhlanje ngikhuluma nawe ngise Mondio 180 Ian Road. Mondio, that's where I am at this moment. Izitha zikhona, abanomona bakhona, but ngiyohlala ngila kuyenza lo msebenzi wethongo umnyama kubofu. That's something which I can promise you. Namhlanje my topic is about Kereke Yasephiri. It's not magic. Kereke Yasephiri, it is not magic. I want you to hear me very carefully. Kereke Yasephiri, it is not magic. Abantu abaningi they think ukuthi Kereke Yasephiri it's magic. Kereke Yasephiri asi magic. Kereke Yasephiri asi magic. Kuri ngiskibe ka kwale. Kereke Yasephiri asi magic. Kereke Yasephiri intsebenzelo ke tshebeletso ya batho ba reng nna ke batla bophelo. Wa bona Kereke Yasephiri ifuna umuntu othi mina ngirayithwe off umhlaba. Ngirayithwe off impilo, ngirayithwe off imithi, ngirayithwe off amadlozi, ngirayithwe off umprofeti wami, ngirayithwe off inkonzo yami, ngirayithwe off umyeni wami, ngirayithwe off yonke into engiphila ngayo. Kereke Yasephiri ifuna umuntu othi mina I have been written off, ngirayithwe off. Kereke Yasephiri wants someone othi mina sengizame ngaze ngazama. So indaba lana ithi Kereke Yasephiri differs. Kereke Yasephiri differs. We have Kereke Yasephiri, of which is called a secret church, which belongs to Illuminati. I want you to do these things. We have Kereke Yasephiri, which is called the secret church that belongs to Illuminati. That's not Kereke Yasephiri. It is a secret society, Yabuloi, of which they say they do those things while they are naked, they drink people's blood, they do what. Now I'm part of Kereke Yasephiri, but look at my lips. These lips can never drink any human blood. You can see my lips. They can never. These kind of lips, to drink in human blood, it is so impossible. Then, we have Kereke Yasephiri ya letsha. We have Kereke Yasephiri ya lehodimo. Kereke Yasephiri ya matsha kapa letsha, Kereke Yasephiri ya lehodimo. These are the Kereke Yasephiri tse leng teng, the holy Kereke tsa Sephiri. Mmamele ke reng ho wena today. Ke batla nkutlwe. Kereke Yasephiri, it's a formation of which it came from the Christian and African prophets, of which were there thousands of years ago. So, there is this God of which is known to be the God of the universe. But Kereke Yasephiri explains God in an extraordinary way, of which one can understand the betterment of God himself. So Kereke Yasephiri, it is something of which again has something more like codes, or something more like numbers, or something more like what, of which I can never explain here on in a correct order because of its social media. So whatever thing of which you'll get there in Kereke Yasephiri, it will make your God to come closer to you. Whatever thing we are in Kereke Yasephiri, ke o tlisa modimo ha o file wena. Lore modimo a utlwe betere. Ha motho a sa kene Kereke Yasephiri, modimo a kgone mo utlwa betere. A ke ka modimo o God is secret. God is something of which you can never even see. Modimo ka se mmone ka mahlo. Modimo ke sephiri. uNkulunkulu uyimfihlakalo. Uyimfihlakalo ezulu, uyimfihlakalo emhlaba, uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu is someone of which you can never see by your naked eyes. You can never even see by your dream. You can never even see God by your ears. You can never even see God by your hands or anything of which is some sort of. You can only hear God. Leona can hear God maybe once, then you will die without even hearing God again. Mara kereke ya sephiri na le sephiri se seholo sa o tsebisa motho modimo wa hae. So I'm trying to say to you, kereke ya sephiri, it is not magic. Kereke ya sephiri, it is not satanism. Kereke ya sephiri, it is not any domination or organization. Kereke ya sephiri, it is not an organization. Kereke ya sephiri, it is not a gathering. 90% about they think kereke ya sephiri is a gathering. It is not a gathering, but it's a formation of which connects God, that particular human being. Kereke ya sephiri number 1 can fix your marriage. Kereke ya sephiri number 2 can fix your financial situation. Kereke ya sephiri number 3 can fix the issue of you ukuthi uhlala njalo njalo uthakathwa. Kereke ya sephiri can fix izinto eziningi. Izinto eziningi. I've been running kereke ya sephiri for many years. This year it is unyaka wesi. It has been 20 years. 20 or 20. Let me see. I joined Kereke ya sephiri 2004, which is, this year is 2025. It has been 21 years since I've joined Kereke ya sephiri. And it has done great things for me. It has done izinto ezinkulu for me. Kereke ya sephiri ayahambi ngabantu abathi wena uyathakathwa. Awukena kereke ya sephiri awuthakathwa. Kereke ya sephiri ayinakuthi wena mabhadi, wena uloyiwe, wena umoshiwe, wena ugangeliwe. Laphayana amabhadi aphela namhlanje, not kusasa. And umuntu uma eza for initiation ya kereke ya sephiri, it is 1,000 rand. So Marcos, Dr. Howard, if I want to join or I want to be initiated under Kereke ya sephiri, where must I go? You come khona ekhaya, 180 INM Road, Mondio. Uza nemali engange 1,000 rand and 12 candles. I repeat, 1,000 rand and 12 candles. You come to Mondio, Johannesburg, 180 INM Road, upata 1,000 rand plus 12 candles. Uzo initiate under Kereke ya sephiri. Kamorao ha moo a ke batla o patela. Ntho tsa o di tlo buleha ha fela o ka latella molao. There is no snake related. There is no blood related. There is nothing related. Ntho e leng teng fela ke matla, supernatural power which surpasses any power of whichever human being has ever seen it emhlabeni. You have power to rule over your enemies. You have power to rule over abantu phila nabo. You have power to rule over your family. You have power to rule ebantwini abaningabi. The reason why family ya sawutlu kubani wena upudi. Ha wa fita kara kereke ya sephiri. A go tle kereke ya sephiri o bone mosadi wa tla hlompha jwang. Mosadi wa o tla utlwa jwang. Lapeng ba tla o bona, ba tla utlwisisa. So, kereke ya sephiri is just something else. Ungalokuzwa ngabantu, ophuza amagazi abantu, kubulawa abantu, yithi la if bekuthiwa sibuyela abantu ngabe kudala sabanjwa. Ngabe kudala sahlala emaselini. Uma ngiphila mina ngiyilogike na kereke ya sephiri wena ohlula yini? Mina ngifuna imimoya. Imoya yenza ini? Ba o jwetsa maka. Ile Satan abua. Satan wa khona ubua ka ramotho. Usathana uyakwazi ukukhuluma ngaphakathi komuntu. Mina ngitshale kereke ya sephiri yonke indawo eDurban nabantu, Newcastle, Mnambithi, Cape Town, Queenstown, Kimberley, indawo eziningi ngijalile kereke ya sephiri. Come for initiation fee, which is 1,000 rand. Emva kalokho uzozwa kusuka lapho ukuthi what's happening. So one can ask ukuthi mkhulu ngiza 1,000 rand and all the time khela ngiza ngayo. No, ayikho kanjalo. Hayi jwalo. This Dr. Uti umkhuloti ngilana for wena. I'm here to help you. I'm here to make your life a better something. Ngila for wena. This Dr. Uti umkhuloti Kereke Yasephiri, it is not satanism. Kereke Yasephiri is not magic. Ungathi wena uza Kereke Yasephiri kungathi uzela ukuthwala. Kereke Yasephiri is not isithwalo. Ngiyabonga. Asada nawe.